MJ trying to figure out how to get off the bed.
Hulog, hulog. No, no, no. Oh, you're gonna go hulog. No, mamu, no, mamu. No, no, no. No, mamu, no. Hulog. You're gonna go hulog. No.
He wants you to help him.
No. No. Hulog. Hulog. No. No. Oh my God. He figured out.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay, go.
You see your son?
Okay, come on, come on.
Ay, ewan ko sa'yo. Ikaw kasi, pagdating ng ihon mo, nasusunga ka eh.
Sunga? Ano tayo? Siyempre, no, unahin ko pa rin yung pagdating na sa anak ko. Pero, paano nga ko alam yung yun?
Oh, ay, nasusungat ang pagkakaibigan.
Go over here.